Until now, we were learning the derivatives of functions. Now we are going to learn derivatives of functions of functions. அதாவது ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்குள்ளேயே இன்னொரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கும். அப்போ டெரிவேட்டிவ் எடுக்கும்போது you have to find the derivative of the derivative of the derivative. அந்த மாதிரி it keeps going. It's like a nested derivative. Okay, nested loop. Computer science ல படிக்கிறீங்கல்ல, so it is very similar to that. So let's solve some questions. Derivative of function of function. Okay. Question number 1. I have e to the 5x. So what is your derivative of e to the x? Derivative of e to the x is e to the x itself. But here x ku badil, what do you have? You have 5x, which means this is not just x. So you have to further take the derivative of this particular function, right? So first you get the derivative of e to the 5x, which is, so derivative of e to the x is e to the x, but what is your x? It is 5x. So you have to take the derivative of 5x also. So what do you have? Derivative of 5x is 5. So you have 5 e to the 5x. This is your answer. Clear? So you have a function inside a function. So this is one function. This is another function. So you have to find the derivative of the function first, and then you have to find the derivative of the function that is inside the function. Okay? Let us see another question. You will have some better understanding. So you have d by dx of root cot x. So what is d by dx of root x? It is 1 by 2 root x. But in that, what is your x? It is cot x. So you have to first find the derivative of root x and then again take the derivative of cot x. Clear? So what do you do? Root x or a derivative 1 by 2 root x. In this case your x is cot x, and further you have to take the derivative of the function that is inside, which is cot x. So what will be your answer? It will be 1 by 2 root cot x. Cot x or a derivative minus cosecant square x. So minus cosecant square x. Okay. We'll solve a lot of such questions. You will have a better understanding in the end of this video. Okay. Question number 3. d by dx of sine x cube. It is not sine cube x. It is sine x cube. So the function, first function is sine x cube. Second function is x cube. So the function is inside a function. So what do you do? First you take the derivative of sine x. Sine x or a derivative cos x. So in this case, cos x, what is your x? It is x cube. What is your function? It is x cube. So cos x cube. But in turn, you have to take the derivative of x cube. So what do you get? 3x square times cos x cube. Okay. Next question. d by dx of sine cube x. So do you understand the difference between these two? This is sine x cube. This is sine cube x, which means it's d by dx of sine x the whole cube. So this is of the form x to some power. So x to some power or derivative n, x to the n is nx to the n minus 1. Remember? So what will you do? 3 comes down. 3 times, what is your function? Sin x square. So if x to some power, you have written it like that, but you have a function inside. So you take the derivative of sin x also. So you have 3 sin x the whole square is sin square x. Sin x or a derivative cos x. Okay. Next question. d by dx of e to the sin x. So it is a function of a function. So what do you do? E to the x or a derivative? E to the x itself times d by dx of sin x. So what do you get? E to the sin x. Sin x or derivative? Cos x. Okay. Next question. d by dx of ax plus b to the power m. So it is of the form x to the m. So what do you get? M ax plus b to the power m minus 1. In turn, you take the derivative of ax plus b, உள்ள இருக்கிற function. So you have m times ax plus b to the power m minus 1. d by dx of ax plus b is a. So I am writing the a in the front. Okay. So I have a m ax plus b to the power m minus 1. Next question. d by dx of 3x plus 5 to the power 6. So what do I have? X to some power. So what do you get? 6 times the function to the power 6 minus 1, which is 5. In turn, you take the derivative of 3x plus 5. Derivative of 3x plus 5 is 3. So what do you have? 3 times 6, which is 18, times 3x plus 5 to the power 5. Okay. Next question. d by dx of root of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is of the form root x. Root x or derivative 1 by 2 root x. What is your x here? Ax square plus bx plus c. In turn, you take the derivative of the function that is inside. So ax square plus bx plus c. So what do you get? 1 by 2 root ax square plus bx plus c times what is the derivative? 2ax plus b. C or derivative 0 because it is independent of x. Clear? Next question. d by dx of cos square x square, which means it's d by dx of cos x square the whole square. Okay. So now you have a function to the power 2. So when you take it out, x square or the derivative 2x. So which is 2 times what is your x? Cos x square. Now you take the derivative of the function that is inside. So cos x square. So what is your next step? 2 cos x square to the power 1. Correct? d by dx of cos x square. What is the derivative of cos x? It is minus sin x. But what is your x here? It is x square. Correct? So cos x square or the derivative minus sin x square. In turn, you have to find the derivative of this function. And if you had only cos x, you would have written minus sin x. But in what you have? You have x square. So you have to find the derivative of x square again. So this is like a function inside a function, inside a function. So you have 3 functions. Okay. So here derivative of x square is 2x. So the 2 comes out. It gets multiplied with this. So and this minus comes out. Minus 2. So I have minus 4 in the x cos x square sin x square. That is your answer. Get it? d by dx x square or the derivative is 2x. So the 2x I am bringing it forward. I have a minus sign. 2 times 2x 4x minus cos x square sin x square. Okay. d by dx of e to the root cot x. So e to the x or the derivative e to the x itself. But you have to find the derivative of the function that's inside. So you have cot x. Cot x or a derivative minus cosecant square x. So it is minus cosecant square x. Okay. Next question. Cos 2x plus 1. So you have to find the derivative of this particular function. So cos x or derivative enna? Minus sin x. What is your x? 2x plus 1. d by dx of 2x plus 1. So what do you get? Minus sin 2x plus 1 times 2. Okay, derivative of this particular function is 2.